Okay, today I think we're gonna try and put on a leveling kit on this Tahoe. Got the rough country 2-inch, just the plastic spacers that go into the front shocks. This driveway's pretty level. You can see there's a bit of a rake to it. We measure it. Up front, we were at just under 36. And in the back, about 38 and a half. So we'll put this kit on, see if it brings the front up enough. I have a set of 33-inch snow tires here that I want to run this winter. So we got to get these to fit. Bought these used. These are real nice tires. I got them for $200, but they're 33s right now. There's 32s on there, so the little extra clearance should help. But yeah, gonna get started. Take the front wheels off, go from there. All right, got the wheel took off. Knocked those 2 bolts on that shock loose. They're 15 mil. Using the little Milwaukee. I think we're gonna try and loosen up that the sway bar end link next. See if we can get that in. All right, so I'm getting this leveling kit put on. What I ended up doing was cutting the sway bar end link, the grinder, because I'm not messing around with it. It's cheap enough to replace, that I don't want to mess around with it. Took those bottom bolts out from the bottom. They're 15 mil. Loosen the upper control arm. All you gotta do is squeeze in the leveling kit in between the shocks, just like I did on that side. So get the other side put back together, and we'll be good to go. All right, so it's been about an hour or two. Got the leveling kit on down there, you can see right there, and then replace the sway bar end links with the Duralast Gold. There's part number. There's the part number. Very high quality. About $18. So, in my mind, worth doing, because 150,000 mile truck probably ain't replaced, and it took about 2 minutes to cut through them, compared to trying to get the bolts off and mess around with it for an hour. It's worth $30 an hour to cut them off and replace them, because they probably need replaced anyway. But I'm gonna jack it back up, put the wheels on, we'll take some measurements, and we'll be good to go. All right, you can see, got it all back together, sitting much more level. Not exactly sure if it's perfectly level, but the front end's definitely up higher. Gonna have to adjust the headlights, but I haven't moved it, so it's in the same spot. So if you look at from where we measured last time, we're now at 37 and a half. And the back's 38 and a half. So it's 1 inch difference, but that could be the driveway. It definitely brought the front up 2 inches, or roughly 2 inches. So it might just be level on better driveway, because this driveway is pretty lame. Everything tightened up. Next we're gonna install, I got LED reverse lights, because I hate yellow lights. I have the fleece all lights on mod that we're gonna do, so we can have fog lights and high beams on at the same time. So gonna put those in real quick and take the car for a test drive. All right, that's the end of this video. Just want to show you how good it looks leveled. Looks awesome. I'm gonna try and get tints done. That's the last thing I need, really. All the LEDs have been swapped in the headlights. The high beam fog light mods done, and yeah, I'm thrilled with this truck, man. Thing's awesome. So I'm gonna try and get tints done and go from there. Right now I'm loving this thing, so I'll probably do the next video with the tints done and maybe some new fog lights, and I want to do the Escalade lights all smoked out. Do the sides and the top smoked Escalade lights. Right now, dude, this thing's awesome. I love this truck. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.